What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Xman Co. Today I'm going to show you how to do a spatchcock chicken on the grill with a huge twist. Stay tuned. Right guys, let's get straight into it. Over here or over here, who knows, I'm going to leave you the recipe or the link to the recipe of our sticky barbecue spice, our rub that we're going to use on this beautiful chicken today. Like I said before, we are going to do a spatchcock chicken for the South Africans, our fellow South Africans. It's called a flatty. Let's get straight into it. I'm going to introduce you to what we have here today. So guys, here's our special sticky barbecue rub, a whole chicken, peach slices in syrup and some olive oil. As you can see, this is a whole chicken. We're going to cut it over here and then open it up. So what I've got here today is some meat scissors. If you don't have meat scissors, you can use a knife just to cut it straight over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use both options. I'm going to cut it initially so you guys can see what I mean. So you'll see there's a slight bone there. So what you want to do is just cut right next to it. That is exactly the middle. You can see there. Got a little bit of cartilage there. Look there. That's how easy it is, guys. Straightforward. Look at that. Yes. You want to trim the excess fat. There you go. Perfect. There's our spatchcock chicken. These small organs you can get rid of. It doesn't really matter. You're not really going to dig into that, but just to show you how to deal with it, we're going to remove it anyways. There's our spatchcock, guys. As you can see, nice and flat. Perfect. We're going to take some olive oil, put it all over this beautiful bird as our sticking agent, then our rub. And remember I said to you guys there's a twist. You see this beautiful peach slices in syrup that we've got here. Any make is good enough. We're going to use the syrup eventually and rub it all over this chicken towards the end, the last 10-15 minutes of the grilling. It's going to be magnifique. Hang around. Can be quite liberal with your spices, your rub. This one's ready. Let's get this beautiful spatchcock on that grill. Guys, skin side up, because we don't want to burn this chicken just as yet or ever. Right, there you go. Got a nice sizzling sound there. Spread it nice and open. What's important here is that you can see our high heat is over here and we've got a very low heat this side. We're not going to rush this chicken. There's a lot of ways to do this flatty or spatchcock, whatever you want to call it. One of the ways is to close the lid and do it like that. We don't want to do that today because not everybody's got a Weber. So I want to show you that you can make a succulent spatchcock chicken on the open grill just by playing with your fire. Right, so we're going to leave this for about good 5, 6, 7 minutes and then start to turn it. The beauty here is, and very important to remember, keep on turning regularly. So that's what we're going to do. Very straightforward, nothing else. It's a little bit later. I'm going to make some cuts in the chicken on both sides, and that's going to open up the area for the cooking of this meat, and that's going to allow this chicken to just be evenly cooked all over. Also, interesting fact, if you would cut a piece of red meat with a knife while cooking it, you're letting all the juices escape. Strange enough, with the chicken it does not work the same. Hard to believe, but guys, go and try it out. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean, and you are going to be flabbergasted. As you can see, peaches in syrup. Being the cook around here, there must be some reward, eh? This is going to be our sweet component to our chicken. So we're going to just grill our chicken, and towards the end, start basting it with this beautiful syrup. Guys, I told you we're going to speak about some tricks, and this is exactly what I was talking about. By doing this, we're not really butchering the chicken, just giving it some cuts because we are on the open grill. It's going to open the area of the cooking, and you're not going to lose juices. You don't have to stress about that, even though it looks like you are going to. So I give it a few cuts everywhere, just so that the heat can penetrate. Let's have a look at this chicken. If you have a close look here, you can see it's starting to pull away. Those are the first signs that you are not far from the end. You are quite close. Have a look there as well, it's opening up. And because of that, I think this is the perfect time to start to put our sweet basting on this chicken. So we're just going to do that. It's a little bit everywhere, and these are the best spots inside there, because obviously it's going to penetrate the meat. Guys, you'll notice I love making bread, so I've put some homemade dough here, which we'll share with this beautiful piece of bird. It's been about 43 minutes on the grill, turning it regularly. I think this is ready. Here we are. We've got a beautiful spatchcock sweet barbecue chicken in front of us. I'm going to cut a leg here, a drumstick. Let's have a look there. Okay guys, shall I do that? Look at that, beautiful. Look how soft and juicy it is. Let's break this off as well. Look at that, guys. Fantastic. Let's cut another piece. Look there. That's the breast right there. Obviously for me, I love the skin. It's a bit of a treat, especially with all the spices we've got on here. Let's try it out. Wow. Holy smokes. Wow, this is amazing. That sweet taste of that syrup, the barbecue spices, a little bit of garlic that's coming through. It's fantastic. Guys, if you like what you're doing here, you know the story. Like, share, subscribe. Enable those notifications so you get notified as soon as we upload a new video. I really appreciate you, all you Oaks folks watching. We can't do this without you. I'm not going to waste your time any further. I want to get stuck into this spatchcock. So, see you next time. Cheers. 3.